So somebody that's looking at getting into the welding career, as far as what level of education and what type of courses would be in the curriculum, you would be looking at either the 1-year certificate program that we offer here or the 2-year associate degree. In the 1-year certificate program, we typically don't have any gen ed courses. It's pretty much all applied type of courses. So you're going to be doing all of the welding processes, those type of courses. There's also a machining course, so you'll learn basic machine shop operation of equipment. Material science is another course. Also blueprint reading, which is very important. There is a technical math 1 course that is in the 1-year certificate because math is so integral into a lot of fields like welding. There's also a CAD 3D modeling course, so students can kind of understand how to design something and then really see it right through with machining and welding. So the kind of person that would fit well into welding would be somebody that really likes to work with their hands. In some cases, if you want to be outside, there are jobs that the work is outside. However, there's a lot of jobs that are in climate controlled environments indoors. Really, it's just somebody that has good attention to detail, kind of has maybe an artistic side to them that enjoys the art of welding, because it really is, almost like you leave a signature behind of what you've done in your weld. Salary and compensation in the welding field can range quite a bit, obviously depending on the level of complexity of the welding that you're doing. Are you welding on pipe? Are you welding on plate? Production welding. Locally in our region, we just had a company in the other day that was going over some of those statistics, and their starting wage is $20.04 an hour up to 28.80, I believe, and you can reach that level within typically a year, the high end. So that's not a bad wage for a local job. Currently, the job outlook in the welding field is probably better than it's been ever. There's jobs pretty much anywhere because it goes across such a wide span of fields. You have aerospace, manufacturing, fabrication, mines, maintenance. There's so many different places that use welding. Also considering the fact that approximately 50% of all parts that make up the gross domestic product in this country contain a weld. So welding is widespread locally, regionally. Pretty much all companies that do welding processes are hiring right now. So if you're looking at getting into the welding field, typical education can range depending on the type of job you're looking at, but in some cases you're looking at least a 1-year certification. Comprises of our AWS level 1 certification all the way up to doing a 2-year associate degree where you could get the level 2 advanced welder certification. And if you wanted to go on for a bachelor's degree, in some cases to be a welding engineer, you could do that as well.